Okay, good morning, Year 9. And today what we're going to, what we're going to look at is how you write a conclusion for your essay. So remember that our question is describe a character from a film you've studied, explain how that character changed throughout the film. And remember we're using our hero's journey, and the example that I'm using this morning is Luke Skywalker in Star Wars. So the last part of our essay there is looking at our conclusions. And if we go onto the correct page, which is, keeps wanting to put my face on there, is the this orange bit here. We go down to the conclusion part, which is taxi, right? That's how you remember it. And those words stand for title, author, and remember in a film case that means a director. In a text space that would be the author. The K is key words, and then the last C is concluding points. Okay, so we start our with the title of our film, which of course we know is your film, but for my example here is Star Wars. So in the film Star Wars, directed, here is the author, by George Lucas. And then this is where we go back to the keywords from the question. And our keywords from the question are describe a character and explain how that character has changed throughout the film. Those are our keywords there. So we talk about then the keywords. A character that changed throughout the film was Luke Skywalker. So that's my keyword. So I've made that sentence into a keyword. And then I would do my concluding points. Now, your concluding points link back up to your opening statement. And my opening statement is the hero's journey causes characters to change. So what I do then is I make a summary of how I have proved that concluding statement or that opening statement in my concluding points. So I would say something like, throughout the film Star Wars, it's really obvious to see that the heroes throughout the hero's journey, the character of Luke Skywalker has changed. I would say a sentence like that, and then I would talk about a summary of how that change has happened. So I might say, in the beginning of the film, he was a shy boy who was working on a farm with a great dream to become to become a warrior or to become part of the Alliance, to become a Jedi. And then through the journey where he met his mentor, Obi-Wan Kenobi, he faced several battles with Darth Vader and had some trials. So I would use some of the key words there from the hero's journey, the resurrection, the return with the elixir. I would use all those key words to show the change that has been made. And those keywords that I've used will be exactly the same as the keywords that I've used in my explanation part in my essay and my U-link. So it's kind of like a summary of what you have proved through the essay in your concluding points. And then that becomes your conclusion there, and it ties up the whole essay. So it's almost like you've started with your opening statement of what you are going to prove in the essay, and then your concluding points, and you show what you have proved, throughout the paragraphs, what you have proved. So it's really important that every single paragraph that you are writing follows that sexy format, and that also includes the key words in every paragraph. And of course, in the U-link part of it goes to the opening statement or the thesis, and then sums up here with your concluding points.